Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to moderate your Discord server. Yes. So first you want to get some bots, because bots help a lot. So we're gonna get Dino first, because Dino's cool. I'm gonna add him to our Discord server. Authorize. I am not a robot. It's off-centered, and I just realized that. I am sorry. This is close as I'm gonna get it. Okay. It's in the cord now. Okay, yes. First, and then we're gonna get Me6. Me6 helps with warning and moderation, as well as kicking and banning. Just like, it's basically Dino, but different. It's Dino, but different. Better anti-spam. Now you can do this. You don't have to get this one. No, I don't want to vote. You don't have to get this one. I just stop clicking vote. I just get it because why not? You can use all the help you can get with anti-spam. So you don't have to get this one because you can do what this one does with the Me6. So you don't have to get this one, but you can if you want. I'm not a robot. Okay, crosswalks. I hate this. I hate when this happens. Okay, no more crosswalks. Verify. Okay, I'm not a robot. Now, logger. All of these will be in the description, by the way. Logger just like logs every action that happens. Now, again, you don't have to get this one. Me6, you can also do this with Me6, but yeah. Bleep bloop. I am not a robot. Oh my gosh, bridges. Okay, bridge. That's it. Okay. He's in Discord. Okay, and now you see we have Discord. Now, to make things easier, you're gonna want to get some roles. So before we do anything, we're gonna want a bot role. This is basically just distinguish the bots from the people. Okay, we'll need this later. This is member. This is a member role. Make it any color you want. It doesn't really matter what color it is. Make bot above all those. Oh yes, you want to display roles separately from online members on both of these. And then you want to do yourself. So basically, I'm gonna name this the boy or founder. And you're gonna want to put yourself at the top of the roles list. Display roles separately from. You really only need to display roles separately. But you also want an admin. If you want administrators or mod, then you want admin or mod. So I'm just gonna do mod. And give them the permissions you want. I'm just gonna press administrator. So, well, first what we want to do is we want to add the roles. So we want to give all of these guys bot. And founder to yourself. And now we can set things up. So what we want to do is we want to create a category. Now I'm going to call this category bot moderation. Create category. And then we want to create the Me6 log. The logger log, and the Dino log. Okay. Thank you for inviting this bot. The prefix is so you can. Okay. What you want to do if you have better anti-spams, you want to change the prefix. So I'm going to change the prefix to 8, not 8. I'm going to change the prefix to this squiggle. Okay, and then if you actually have people here, you wanna better anti-spam. I can't spell, sorry. And then you probably want to put the prefix in its name, so that people know that that's what the prefix is. So there's better anti-spam. And then do what better anti-spam says. Put better anti-spam up. I'm not gonna put him above other roles, but actually I'll put him above bot. And you want this dashboard. Now with logger, let's go here, and logger is log, not log. What was it again? Whatever. We need to go to logger's dashboard. So if you just search logger bot, you can find the logger dashboard right here. Now go to server selector, and it might have you like sign into your Discord account. It's fine. And missing cert, make sure you sign in the right account, you have right privileges, otherwise. Okay, this hasn't happened before. Make sure you sign in the right account and you have the right privileges in the server. Or okay, I think we need to change the privileges. So logger help. Okay, if you're having trouble like me, you want to type. Okay, its prefix is the %sign help, and then it'll give you this menu up here. Below you can see my commands list and then all the commands that have them, and the command I was looking for was set channel when I said log. So we want to do the prefix, then set channel. I set all events to log here. And now, if it works correctly, if I type hi, and I delete this message, it should log. I didn't delete that message. It should log into logger. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, what if I kick someone? That should work. It's a mod. Okay, whatever. We'll get back to that later. Now we want to go to Me6 dashboard. All this will be in the description, by the way. And we have my server, and then you want to enable moderator. Enable this plugin. Moderator role. You want to add a moderator role, which is obviously founder and mod. Please select a channel for logging. You want to select your Me6 log, and you want to grant them access. A little window will pop up here. I know you can't see it, but it's right here. Authorize, save. And then this is where you don't need logger if you just not message events. If you do all this, if you just check all those boxes, and if you want message updated, message delete, and invite posted, then you have to buy Me6 Premium, which I'm not going to do. But you'll get all these logged in Me6 log. But if you want all these three, if you want those three, then get logger. Ignore channels. No ignore channels for me. Okay, the auto moderator. This is where you want to have like bad words. So a bad word list is right here. So if we want to if we don't want Team 9 to be said in our server, then that's there, Team 9, like that. Then that will not be said. If we don't want lol to be said, then those words won't be said. And if you want ignore channels or allowed roles, then put those there. And now to enable it, you go to delete message or warn member, or delete message and warn member. I would recommend using delete message and warn member, because then it gets rid of the message and it warns the member not to do it. This is repeated text is for spamming. Do the same thing. If you want no spam, excessive emojis, I don't like that, so delete message and warn member. And then you can change the emoji limit. I'm gonna change that to 4. And server invites, if you don't want self promotion, then just delete message and warn member. Excessive caps, message and warn member. And no, you can't. External links, delete message and warn member. See, basically everything you can delete message and warn member if you want. It's just keep that in mind. Auto moderation ignores and doesn't affect other bots. You probably want to keep that because you don't want bots getting kicked. Automated actions. This allows you to let auto mod mute, kick, temp ban, or temp mute or temp ban. So we want to add that, and I change it to how many warns you want, and then what you want to happen once they reach that goal in set amount of minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way up to 59 minutes. So basically an hour. I'm going to keep mine at... I'm going to keep it at 30. So I'm just going to keep mute there. Muting is basically they can't talk. And here's the command list. If you just want to, that's just the command list. So we're done with the moderator roles for Me 6. Now what you want to do is welcome. You want to go back here. You want to create a new category. And that's not what I meant to do. I clicked a bookmark in my bookmarks bar. I didn't mean to do that. I am sorry. You want to create a category. Create category. Welcome. I meant to type welcome. Create category. And yep, it's logging it. See? It's logging it. It just doesn't log deleted messages, because that's something you have to actually change in the logger dashboard, which for some reason it won't pull up the server that I have. So that sucks, I guess. It should work for you. So we want to move, yeah, there, and then we want to create welcome. Welcome, and if you want to name it, okay, you probably want to mute the logger log, because it'll log everything. And if you don't want to receive, like, if you're not on do not disturb mode, then you'll receive every single message that, like a ping every single time. So yeah, you probably want to mute that. Welcome to welcome. If you want to name it like something that's good, welcome and goodbye will be good. Save changes. So basically, you want to go here and send a message when a new user joins, and then you want to go to welcome. And hello user, welcome to server. And then if you want their user ID card, then it's right there. Now send a private message. No, you don't want to do that. And give a new role to users. Roles to give. Member. That's what we needed earlier, member. I'll tell you why this is important later. Send a message when a user leaves the server. You want to put that also in welcome. Now that's it for welcome. And what else do I want to teach you? I guess I'll teach you how to... Yeah, I guess I'll teach you how to do the YouTube thing. This isn't... skip this if you don't... If this isn't important to moderating your server. It's just YouTube. Search for YouTube. So basically, if you want a YouTube channel posted in your server, just search their name, and it'll pop up with YouTube channels. Now that's mine. Then choose where to log it. Just log it anywhere, and then it'll do that. But I don't want a YouTube channel logged here, so I'm just going to cancel that. And that's it for Me 6. Now, let's go to Dino. Now, Dino, I'm not sure how this one works. I'm really not. But commands, response, yeah. Modules, action log, auto roles, stuff like that. The auto roles is already going to be 6. Log channel. If you want to do the log channel, then just select the Dino channel. Go here, action log, log channel. And that's what I did. I just learned that. I literally just learned that. Wow. Okay, so that's basically all you need, and I'll show you how to use Dino later once we set up everything. And I think that everything is set. Actually, no, I need to. Yeah, dashboard login for better anti-spam. Yes. I already have him in. That's not my recovery email. Okay, don't do better anti-spam because it's complicated, and you can just do. And as you could see, what was that? As you saw earlier with me 6, if you go into moderator, you can basically just stop spamming with repeated text. So yeah, you can just get rid of your bot role. And let's. Oh, jeez, I didn't mean that. And let's just kick better anti-spam. Reason for kick? Die. And as you can see in welcome and goodbye, better anti-spam just left the server, and I just realized that I am on invisible, and I do not want to be on invisible. Better anti-spam just left the server, just like we wanted. So now that what we want to do is, as you can see, you can warn people. I can warn myself. Oh yeah, you have to give a reason. Warn at Rickey Mouse. Scruffus. And then it'll send you a DM saying you were warned. You were warned in the court for Scruffus. Now to clear your warn, you just want to type !clear warn at whoever we want to clear their warns. So me, clear warn and that's a clear warns. So and then you can kick by doing kick, and then you can ban by doing ban, and all that stuff. You can also do the same with me 6 as that, and you can also warn at me 6, but that also ties into what warn Rickey Mouse. You can't warn a moderator. That also, but if you warn someone and you warn them as the amount of times that you said that you can warn them, then they will get punished. So just keep that in mind. But with Dino, it's just you warning them because why not? But now we'll get into the actual server stuff. So if you want, see the bot moderation. If we want something to be, if you want something to be only for like the founder to view or the mod to view, then what we want to do is we want to go into bot moderation. If it's like a whole category of stuff that's private, then we go to edit category permissions, and we just add founder, mod, and member. Now they will all of those will appear in the permissions in every single one of these category checks channels. So go to permissions, then member. If you don't want them to view it, just click X on the read messages. But the people who you want to view it, just check these 3. Check all 3 of these, and then just do that for every one of them until you're satisfied with how things are going. The car just drove by. I don't know if you could hear that, but a really loud car just drove by. Dino log. This will log like if you kick someone, ban someone, stuff like that. Read. Oh, not everyone. Didn't do that. Member can't read. Mod, all those. I don't know why I'm doing this, but whatever. So that's basically what you do. And yes. So I just joined the voice channel by accident. What else was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh wait, yeah, I was gonna join the server and like demonstrate this. Let me just. Sorry, I'm just opening my Chromebook. Yeah, okay. I'm on, and let me just send an invite to my second account. As you can, general. As you can see, it gave him the role member, and welcome and goodbye. Hey Toaster, welcome to the court, and then it gives the card as I set it up to do, and I'm looking on. I know you can't see it, but I'm looking on the Chromebook screen, and no, I cannot see any of the bot moderation. If you would just want to clarify that, get a friend and do it yourself. But yeah, and I'll show you how to like kick and ban people. So basically, let me just type "what you sucks" in general, and if I don't like that, I can just warn him with Dino. Not that. Warn him with Dino. There's two things in my way. 1 sec. Warn at the toaster oven. Get wrecked. The toaster oven has been warned. Stupid. So what I can do is I can kick him with Dino. Oh wait, no, I need to kick at the toaster oven. And the toaster oven was kicked. Now, I don't know why it's not logging in Dino. You're going to have to look into that yourself. It should work. But if not, then that's in. It says I was warned. Yeah. And he was kicked. But if I so choose to have him back. And in goodbye, it says that he left. And the logger thing, it says that. In logger, it says that the toaster oven was kicked. Now I'll show you how this works. If I just like warn the toaster oven, warn at the toaster oven. The toaster oven was warned. Why? And then warn him again. Let me just copy this so I can. Okay, that's twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Toaster oven has been warned. Did it give him the? Yeah, it gave him the role muted. Let me show you. If you set it up so that Me6 can mute people, then it'll add this role to your server in roles called muted. Now, basically, what it just does is it unchecks the box in this where it says send messages and send text-to-speech messages. So he can't talk anymore. And I'll put the mic really close to my Chromebook's keyboard. Nothing's coming out. And I'm clicking the spacebar. Nothing's happening. In Me6 log it says mute the toaster oven. User at the toaster oven moderator at Me6 reason too many infractions. Duration infinity. So you just to unmute them, you just do unmute at the toaster oven. And now they're not muted anymore, as you can see. Now, let's talk about emojis. Now, I know this isn't, I'm just showing you how to do stuff with your server at this point. So, basically, upload emoji. So, if we want a dog, or actually, if we want, say, buff Dr. Phil M&M to be an emoji, then we just upload the emoji, and we can see that the emoji's here. Now, if we want to decide who gets to upload emojis, then we just go here, and we can see all the stuff. Use external emojis, connect, speak, video, use voice activity, blah, 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 and we find manage emojis. So if I wanted the mods to manage emojis, I would just flip that or give them an administrator. Flip that little bar right there, and you can no, not that one. This one. Flip that, and you can just customize who gets to do emojis and not. Moderation. Now this is where you choose what happens in your server. Not like verification, unrestricted. You must have a verified email on your Discord account. Must be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. Must also be a member on the server for longer than 10 minutes. Must have a verified phone number on their Discord account. Media content filter. Ain't no party like my grandpa. One second. This is for automatically scan and delete media sent in this server that contains explicit content. Scan media from members without a scan media content from all members. Because, you know, yeah. Squeaky clean. Yes. Or if you just want members without a role, that's fine too. Audit log. The audit log has most things that go on. So you just updating roles, creating stuff, kicking members. But I'd recommend getting Logger or Me6 for that. Integrations. I don't know what this means. Just connect your Twitch or YouTube account sync your subscribers to a role. Yeah. So if you just want your subscribers or your Twitch followers to have a specific role, then just do that. See, I don't have that because I don't care. Server widget, invite channel. Yes, stuff like this. I don't know what this is and I don't care. Server template. I don't know what this is. I don't care. User management, members, invites, bans, stuff like that. Me6 log. Could you not? Muting the Me6 log. Okay. Did I cover everything? Did I cover everything? Oh wait, no, the spam. The spam. I need to show you guys the spam. I didn't cover everything. Okay. Spam. Go over there. It told me to enter the chill zone and I was sending messages too quickly. This isn't what I was supposed to do. Spam. So basically, let me just. Yep. Oh, wait, I just got muted again. Yeah, do not send messages over and over again. So let me just unmute myself. Unmute at the toast. I have caps lock on. Unmute at the toaster oven. What else did I add? I'm sorry, I'm not good at stuff. Excessive caps. Okay. Where's caps? I don't have caps lock on a Chromebook. Wow. Boom. Yep, capital letters. Unmute the toaster oven. Unmute at the toaster oven. Again in the emojis. Then the emojis. Okay, I'm just gonna do 5 emojis because 4 was apparently enough. Okay, there, boom. Duplicate text. Yep, whatever. Unmute at the toaster oven. I forgot what else I did. External links. Oh yes. Okay, let me get a link to Panzoid because I have that in the bookmark bar of my Chromebook. Link to Panzoid. Posted a link. Unmute at the toaster oven. Now, what else did I... Oh, yeah. Server invites. Let me just post a real quick. Let me just post an invite to my server right here. Copy the invite. Paste the invite right here. Post an invite. There we go. And unmute at the toaster oven. Now, one way to punish... Oh, yeah. You have ranks in this, by the way. Not rank. Yeah. And it shows you your rank. So, basically, if it's one way to punish people for spamming to get their rank up is to go to the leaderboard of that server and finding them. If you can't find them, that's fine. Finding them and doing this. Resetting their XP. Boom. And if you just want to do that for the whole server, then there you go. Do that. So that's my tutorial on how to moderate your Discord server. Tell me if I forgot anything, or if you want to know something else, and I'll give it to you. Thanks and bye.